My name is Peter Sawe. I'm the Press Operations Manager at Nation Media Group. The first outcome that we were able to realize using the Guidewheel system was on the tracking of the peak KVA demand. We realized using the SMS alerts from Guidewheel that our startup process was triggering the peak KVA demand to be reached. Within the first 3 months of using the Guidewheel system, we were able to bring down the peak KVA demand by 200 kVA. This represents about 6% of our electrical energy consumption, and we know that we can increase this to about 10 to 15% if we continue reducing on our idling energy.